Hi guys, today I am going to explain you how to find the complementary angles, okay? So, first of all, we have to remind that the complementary angles, the addition of the complementary angles is going to be 90 degrees, okay? So, we are going to use complementary angles with right angles. Now, here we have the first example, exercise 8. First of all, we have to know that a right angle has a measure of 90 degrees. Yeah? What we're going to do, guys, it's easy. So we're going to subtract 90 minus 37. Yeah? Okay, 90 because that is the measure of a right angle, and 37 because that is the value that we have in here. If you use your calculator and you make the subtraction 90 minus 37, the answer is going to be, the answer is going to be 53. So that's the answer for the first exercise. In here, 90 minus 37 equals 53. Okay? Now we're going to do the exercise number 2, the same process. We're going to write 90, 90 degrees minus 23, that is the value that we have in here, and then we're going to do the operation. If you want, you can do the operation in this moment. 90 minus 23, and the answer is, excellent, 67. And the last exercise, guys. For the last exercise, we're going to use the same methodology, okay? So we have 90 minus the value that we have in here, that is 82 degrees, equal, okay? If you want, you can practice that. So 90 degrees minus 82 degrees, it's gonna be 8. Excellent. So that's all, guys. Muchachos, básicamente lo que tenemos que hacer es, tenemos la medida de un ángulo recto que es 90 grados, ¿cierto? Y siempre aquí vamos a tener un valor. En los ejercicios que ustedes vieron tienen un valor. Lo que hacen es a 90 grados le restan el valor que les dieron, en este caso 37, y ahí van a encontrar la respuesta. Lo mismo hicimos con este. 90 grados menos 23, que es el valor que nos dieron, la respuesta es 67. Igualmente en el último, 90 grados menos 82, el valor de el otro ángulo complementario es 8. Espero que el video sea muy útil para ustedes. Bye.